Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft PC Manager. It's a powerful antivirus software that not only protects your PC from malware and spyware, but also boosts its performance with features like disk cleanup and startup optimization. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Microsoft PC Manager on your Windows PC, so you can keep your computer safe and running smoothly. The first step is to open your browser and search for MS PC Manager. Click on the first result. Once you are on the Microsoft PC Manager website, click on the Download button. This will download the Microsoft PC Manager installer on your PC. Once the download is complete, open the installer. The installer will display the Microsoft PC Manager terms and conditions. Click on Agree and the Install button to start the installation process. The installer will now install Microsoft PC Manager on your PC. This may take a few minutes depending on your PC's specifications. Once the installation is complete, click on the Launch button to start Microsoft PC Manager. Now you can see there are many options, including a Boost button, which will delete any temporary files and boost your PC. There's also Health Check tool, which looks for potential issues and allows you to fix them quickly and easily. Another useful tool included in Microsoft PC Manager is Storage Management. You can use this tool to clean up unnecessary files and optimize your storage usage. There's also a Process Management tool that lets you end any unnecessary or unused processes to make your system run faster. Another useful tool is Startup Apps, which shows programs that run automatically when your PC starts up. You can disable unnecessary programs to speed up your PC's boot time and improve performance. Last but not least, there's the security option where you'll find Windows Update status, and a scan option that lets you scan for any malware and spyware. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.